Oh shit, it's xQc! Oh dude, I want to Bastion him down so bad because I know he's gonna play fucking Winston. Should I Reaper Bastion him just for fun? I'm tempted. Oh shit. Oh, I got Rex in my team. We're gonna win, dude. Team, we're gonna win, dude.
Thoughts! Be gone! Back up, plebs! Back up! Back the fuck up! Thank you so much for 200 million bucks! But no, okay, no. When it's like a big number, I don't wanna send out another number because that's you know I said the real number.
Wait.
Do you think it's not spent for 200 bucks? Holy fuck, dude! I don't know what to say. I kind of want to ask some content. I kind of want to read chat, but at the same time I kind of want to say Pog champs in the motherfucking chat.
Monkey Discord, get him off.
Okay, listen, man.
Looking done.
I'm gonna need you guys to focus on the task at hand and Pog champ in the motherfucking chat. Okay. Also, Joey Seagull will be a Pog champ. That'd be actually sick. Yeah, I'd love that. But like I said, I don't want to have like you know like bad intents or whatever. Holy fucking! I don't know what to say, man. Thank you so very much, man. Hi, Bubble. You okay? No, I don't wanna, you know, I don't know.
Fair half. I'm dead.
You guys are all critical, you guys need to slow down.
I'm gonna make him come to me like this.
I'm on this versus card. I'm with you.
Orbs on you, FTC.
I'm back in. Give us out of the car, Kikona. Yo, seriously, man, no, bro, that's a lot of money, man. Thanks so much. That's like 250 total USD. That's equivalent like $1,869 million in Canadian money, man. Thank you so much, man. I'm gonna end the stream right now and go buy a fucking yacht. I won't buy a yacht. It's a huge amount of money, but I'm still gonna buy a yacht.
Mercy one on point.
I died on point. Holy Christ. The fuck? Come on, how can I?
Yeah, I'm on.
Keep it discorded. Get her off.
Yo, who's this extra? Who are you? You're...
Ha, you're the best dude, D.
Block it up.
Dude. I don't know what to say, man. Thank you so very much. Dude, I can't really say thank you, man, because thank you, it's kind of like, it's kind of repetitive, and it's kind of like, guys, I need some of these Pog champs, guys. The chat is sub only. Don't try harder. It's a Pog champ. I need some of these Pog champ! Please, only Pog champs. Only Pog! If you don't say Pog, you're banned. No cool cat, no try hard, no dance game, no haha, no what face. Only Pog champ for at least a minute. Sorry guys, that's a pretty, it's the cost. It's the cost. No risen sleepers, no, banned. But this guy right here, ban him. The guy right here just said, no, this guy right here said, ban. The guy here says Kappa Moss, ban him. You guys says risen sleeper here, ban. No more TV, dude. I don't know, man. I was like extremely grateful, like, you know, for everything, you know, earlier. And I was like, you need like huge thanks, and I want to focus on the game here, but
I'm really dead here.
It's like huge thanks, and I don't want to make it feel like, you know, my thanks lost their value, and it's like it's a bigger amount, so I'm not gonna like ramp it up. I can't ramp it up. I can't. It's impossible. But I want you to know I'm super grateful, man. Thank you so very much, man. For the 500, 200, 150, I don't even know how much that is. That's like 1,000 total, dude. That's I think that's the biggest we've gotten. I think it's more than 1,000 total, and that's like more than my biggest session. That's like super thanks, man. Super thanks, guys. Okay. I just want to have some hearts. I don't know if he's in chat. Just maybe tag him and say heart. Just like a heart. I want soldier in the back.
I'm with you. Yeah.
Lucio win.
Monkey Discord, half health behind us.
Mercy half, severed. On point now. One.
Yeah,
Mercy one on point.
Come on, Mercy. She's dead. Come on, do it now. Give us another car. That's a kick one. Guys, can someone say kick one in the chat? Go close to your mic like you're swallowing it. Just like your mama. Go close to your mic and say K-Kona.
K-Kona.
You said it, boy. You said it. He said it. Give me some of these cake owners in the chat, boys. He said it. He said, yeah, I'm sorry, man. He said it.
Someone's
Half a
black.
year. Get the fuck in.
It's white, it's white.
xQc the people's champ.
Thanks, Robbie, that time. Soldier, Seagull's on top.
Mrs. dead, Mrs. dead.
Yo, do you want
I'm gonna. Is it Soldier's up top? He probably has visor on him.
Yeah, he's up top.
Tracer on point, no recall. Run.
Oh, that was that was perfect. That was literally a perfect kill, literally. I did not miss a single. No. We get those very, very, very rarely. I know it sounds weird as a Winston man, no way, blah blah blah, all that shit. It sounds really weird, but that was a perfect kill right there.
Winston, Discord 1.
I'm with you. I'm on this mercy.
Where's that?
Blocking for you. I
Should just quarter right.
She's out.
It took my HP.
She's low. No recall. She's out. Walk back. Walk back as a team. Walk back as a team. Plus the unit. Focus on task at hand. I said it too fast. No, it's not like 100% accuracy. It just.
No, going up top.
I didn't miss any tracking, which sound, you know, and he turned the corner too, you know.
Beat drop first. I'll trans after.
Mrs. in silver room. Kill her.
Where?
Mrs. on dildo. On their dildo. Dead. Kikona.
Trisha behind. Blocking you. I'll leave you.
He's on point.
Someone's on point.
That's monkey.
Monkey point. Mercy server.
I'm on Mercy with you.
She's ocean.
Mercy's 1.
Blocking Soldier. Soldier's on our side.
You would start chasing me.
Still monkey.
Clutchable. We're gonna win.
Come on, Diva, let's. I'm out of mana. I don't know where Soldier is. Oh, I see.
We're on our way right now.
You deploy some Tracer.
I went over her! What the?
Diva 1.
Annie has the back as soon as possible, please. Big heals. Big kitty. One more someone. Mercy's like, two bars in the back. Just a point, no recall.
I'm on Soldier.
Come on, soldier. Move them backwards.
Monkey at our dildo. He's has.
I can belt. Oh man, I mean. Walk back. We can still win this. Okay, if we win the next fight, we win the whole thing. That was actually really close. Seagull's probably gonna go top for the visor.
Hey, post bomb. I'm gonna try and get a pick.
They know I'm top.
You okay? I'm with you. I'm running low on the end.
Heal me! Ah! Dead. I fed like a nice chicken, a nice roasted chicken on a nice afternoon with your family, you know, on the grill. Think about that for a second. A nice barbecue sauce brushed breast. Whew. Kinda gets me hungry now.
He's behind.
I'm going to Mercy.
Look to the left.
I'm going to Mercy.
Yeah, with you.
Did you point that?
Soldier.
Diva. Diva's out of the car. Diva's currently out of the car. Monkey point. Grate him like a cheese.
Mercy.
Don't let her in. Nice.
I'm in his face.
Soldier dead. Get the other car. Give me a nice icon here. Give me a cool. Diva, get out. Out of the car. Get going out.
She's going around.
Fuck. Where's the now? He let it in!
Oh my god. You know what? What was I expecting? I'm just gonna go walk around my room and run 3 minutes of ads. I'll be right back. The untilt maneuver.